Okay, got something a little different today. I have a Jackson's 4-lever padlock, an old Australian manufacturer. There's our key. It's got that central post, which is actually a bit wibbly wobbly, but staying in there all right. So works beautifully. Feels like it's been flooded with WD-40 at some point, full of grease and grit and filth, but it still works perfectly. So I've got this bodged together wire as a tensioner. There's so much room in this thing. I think. Alright, so we are locked. Alright, and then if we duck this one in like so. Ugh. Try and do this right-handed, might be easier. 4, 3, 2. It's just tools I have for lying around. Haven't done much in the way of levers because they all need a lot of tool making, and something like this you can't really pull it apart to get the optimal tool made. You just sort of have to hope. Definitely got the levers, no problem. It's more a am I applying proper tension or not? I'm not sure I am. No, I wasn't. All right, let's go around the other side of that post. No, the other side. Right up in there. I think that's on it now. High quality video work here. All right. We're getting somewhere now. would be much easier if I had a cut down keys attention up. I really just need to buy like a... Oh, got it. Oh, picked. All right. Picked. Yeah, I really need to buy like just a big old set of things. Maybe you can see down there a bit. Sort of. I'll hold it like that. Where's my key? Alright, there we go. There's that bolt. You can sort of see some action happening in there. It's definitely got a lot of grease, dirt and filth in it, but it does work nicely. So there it is, locked again and unlocked. So there you go, Jackson's rather large, really nice 4 litre padlock. Just needs a bit of a, I don't know, spray out or something. It's just filthy, but really I like the colouring on it. Nice that it comes with a working key. Yeah. So see, look at all these bits. That's all fallen out of the lock. Picked with some podgy wires. Did make it work, even with a bit of a false start. Just been able to get out a bent piano wire. So there we go.